Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got this fresh trade-in. It's a 2017 Grady-White 275 Freedom. This boat is seriously like new. It's only got 70 hours on it. I don't expect it to last long. My cell phone number is listed right here on the screen. Call, text, email me anytime. I'd be happy to help you out with whatever. But let's jump up inside and see what this looks like. Starting at the stern here, we've got twin Yamaha 200s. Nice boarding ladder there with a walkthrough for easy access. Good storage at the back with a fold-up seat, as well as a bait well. And even if you're going to be out doing a little bit of water sports action, you've got a stowaway ski pile on right there. As you can see throughout the boat, we've got very nice lighting. Starboard side, you've got a freshwater sink and bait station with some drawers for storage. Back to port, more lighting as you can see under the cup holders with a secondary stereo control, fusion radio, double seats. Up here's our primary radio control or upgraded fusion radio. Behind this door, nice size head, teak flooring, plenty of room inside there. Looking over at the helm, got a very nice captain's chair with a bolster that flips up so that you can steer while standing as well. There's your hour meter. Like I said, you've only got 70.4 hours on this thing. Loaded with Garmin 12-inch display, VHF radio, another fusion radio, trim tabs, all your controls right here. And even every individual cup holder is lighted. As far as the upper tower goes, you've got full isinglass enclosure, as well as a brand new sunshade that we just installed as part of our recon. Finally, we'll take a peek up to the bow here, where you've got lots of sun lounging, additional speakers, a locker for your full delta anchor, as well as controls for your power windlass. This is an awesome boat. Fresh trade, won't last long, and it's like brand new. If you guys have any questions, give me a call. I'll be happy to help out.